Meaning of end up, phrasal verb. End up means to finally reach a result, place, or situation, often one that was not planned. In American English, it is very common in everyday speech. You use end up to talk about unexpected outcomes. I usually end up working late on Mondays. If you don't study, you'll end up confused. We always end up eating out on weekends. She tries to save money but ends up spending it. Hurry up or we'll end up late. I planned to rest, but I ended up cleaning the whole house. We took the wrong turn and ended up in another town. He wanted a quick coffee, but he ended up staying 2 hours. She didn't want a pet, but ended up adopting a dog. They argued at first, but ended up friends. Short story. I wanted a quiet evening at home. I planned to watch one episode of a show and go to bed early, but then a friend called. We decided to meet for coffee. One coffee turned into dinner, and dinner turned into a long walk through the city. By midnight, we were sitting by the beach and talking about life. I smiled and thought, I just wanted a quiet night, and I ended up having one of the best evenings in months. Funny how life works.